This is Solving for a Side with the Law of Cosines by Kenton Chow. It's problem 1, and in this problem we're given angle A and sides B and C, and we're asked to find side A. And when you're given two sides with an angle in between and asked to find another side, what should come to mind is the law of cosines, which states a squared equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of theta. So theta is the angle directly across from the side that you're asked to find. In this case it's 46. And as a reminder, these are interchangeable according to what side you're trying to find. So here we're asked to find angle A, so side A, so we don't have to change anything here. So we can just plug in the numbers to the formula. So we get a squared is equal to 14 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 14 times 12 times cosine of 46. So after doing that, we can simplify 14 squared plus 12 squared to 340, and we can also simplify negative 2 times 14 times 12 times cosine of 46. So here it's not fully simplified yet. So we can also additionally simplify that to approximately negative 233.4052 rounded to 4 decimal places. And subtracting 340 from negative 233.4052, we can get 106.5948. And to get rid of this power of 2 here, we can square root both sides to get A is equal to square root of 106.5948. And plugging this into the calculator, 5948 square root is approximately 10.32, rounded to 2 decimal places since the question's asking to round to the nearest hundredths. And that is side A. That's the end of the lesson.